Hi everybody, it's Music Theory Thursday. And if you remember yesterday, I had my claves and we were listening to this rhythm. That's going to be what we talk about today, is that particular rhythm. That's called the clave rhythm. So let's go into our Bitmoji classroom. And if you look on the board, this is what the rhythm looks like when it's written out. Listen to 3 notes followed by 2 notes. This is called the 3+2 clave rhythm. So I've written that on my whiteboard over here. Take a look. This is what it looks like. So you've got the first part. This is the 3 notes. And then the second part, here's the 2 notes. So the first beat of any measure always is 1. So we're going to put a 1 underneath the first note, just like that. Now because there's a dot next to that note, that means that that 1 is going to go into where 2 would be. So 2 is actually in the middle, it's somewhere inside of the dot. So we're going to put a little 2 in parentheses so you know that that's where the 2 is. And we're going to skip this note for just a second because the third beat is on this rest. So we're going to put a 3 where the rest is. And then this note is right on the 4th beat. There are 4 beats in the measure. Now this note right here is in the middle of the 2nd and the 3rd beat. So we're going to call that and. We're going to divide the beat in half and call it and. So it's 1 and 4. And the 3 you actually don't say, so I should have put parentheses around the 3. Because the 3 is a rest, and the rest means it doesn't make a sound. 1 and 4. Does that make sense? Now, remember count 1 is always in the beginning of the measure, but because it's a rest, it doesn't make a sound, so we're going to put parentheses around it. And then we have 2, 3. The notes are on count 2, 3, and then the rest is on count 4. So when we put it together, it goes 1 and 4, 2, 3. 1 and 4, 2, 3. That's the rhythm of the clave. Do you remember what we do if we want to keep repeating? We add a repeat sign at the end. So we're just going to keep repeating that rhythm. Ready? 1 and 4, 2, 3. 1 and 4, 2, 3. 1 and 4, 2, 3. Can you say it? 1 and 4, 2, 3. 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 That's called the 3+2 clave rhythm. Right. So you've probably heard this rhythm before and you just didn't realize, oh, of course that's the 3+2 clave rhythm, because this is in popular music all over the place. So I'm going to show you a few examples. So as you listen to these clips, see if you can pick out the ting, 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 ting rhythm.
Oh, till the body baby diamond ring. If that diamond ring don't shine, oh, till the dig it to a private eye. I want candy. I want candy. 'Cause I gotta have faith. I got to have faith. 'Cause I gotta have a faith.
Could you hear that rhythm in each of those songs? All right. That's our music theory lesson for today. I will see everybody on Monday. Have a good weekend.